Shout out Ugly Boy. They in the building. My little nigga. My little brother. Marco.
I won't treat you like a side chick, side chick. Yeah, these haters won't ever stop this, stop this. I won't ever call you my baby. She's more than that. She's more than that. Yeah.
Girl, yeah, I need you around. Don't you go fuck with them clowns, cause I'ma hold it down wherever I go. You someone different, you ain't like these hoes. Sex you way better, you know how it goes. I'ma get you soaking wet, treat you like a queen. I'ma win this race, call me Lightning McQueen. It's just us two, yeah, you know we a team. Ay, ay, ain't no other dude gon' do it how I do it. I'ma show you something new, baby, I can prove it. Thick thighs, nice eyes, long hair. These dudes want you, but girl, I don't really care. When I walk through, girl, yeah, I see you staring. Cute pics everywhere, we the perfect pair. You wanna show me how you move it, let me get a chair. Your heart full of love, baby, it don't need a tear.
I won't treat you like a side chick, side chick. Yeah, these haters won't ever stop this, stop this. I won't ever call you my baby. She's more than that. She's more than that. Yeah.
Baby girl, you picture perfect. Trust me with your heart, I promise it's worth it. Give me a test, I'll prove I deserve it. You got a vacant heart, but can I reserve it? I could say that I love you, but I'd rather just show you something new that other dudes haven't told you. Action tell the truth and only words can tell lies. But if you got some questions, I promise to comply. Yeah, you never heard that before. Last dude that you questioned, he went out the door, calling you crazy names like bitches and whores. I'll never call you out your name unless it's beautiful, babe. I just wanna see you smile, I wanna make your day. Look into your eyes, I don't wanna see no fears. Look into your eyes, I don't wanna see no tears. I just wanna make you smile every day of the year.